Welcome back everybody. So I've got a big turning project for you today. Just for size reference, this is the faceplate that came with the lathe, and for this turning project I had to go out and purchase a new faceplate which is that big. So as you can see, quite the size comparison. So the blank in question is a Rippled Sycamore measuring at a whopping 21 inches. So yeah, quite a bit of a beast. I'm going to be maxing out the lathe, and I'm going to be doing it outboard. So let's see what this record power coronet herald can do. So it's going to be a fun one, so let's get on with it.
Might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. Can't stop looking at ya, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. You're glowing in the dark. Find time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out.
Right, so now I'm going to be doing something I've never done before, and that's airbrushing. So yeah, I bought an airbrush kit not so long ago, so we're going to give that a whirl. I've got some Crimson Spirit Stains green here, so I'm going to whack that in the airbrush and put that on the rim of the platter. I'm going to try and fade it about a bit, so maybe go light on the edge and darker on the inside, or vice versa. Who knows? Like I say, I've never done it before, so it could end up going completely haywire, who knows. So let's get on. Right, here we go. This will be fun. Turn the lathe on slow. Right, so I think I'm going to go with dark to the outside and lighter on the inside. Seems more even to me.
My eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Yes, I know how to window. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Giving her compliments, I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah. Fake one, staying out till the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Get it right, I still have you on my side, staying night after night. Cause you're mine. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habit, and I can't describe it. It's magic, the way that she loves my habits.